The game is so boring. Oh, sorry. I was playing a game, but it was a boring game. Have you ever played a game and you feel that the game was boring? I don't know. Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Selamat datang kembali ke channel saya. Tonight, we are going to talk about something very good. It's an adjective. Some people, some students, they, make the sentence wrong. Okay, it's supposed to be both, but he or she said boring. Okay, it's supposed to be boring, but he or she said both. Okay, so you want to know more about bored and boring? Okay, then go away. I want you to watch until the end of this video. Jadi silakan tonton sampai akhir video ini. Oke, karena kalau Anda tidak menonton sampai akhir, Anda mungkin akan salah paham juga. And you will know more about bored and boring dan beberapa teman-temannya. Oh ya, buat Anda yang baru nonton video saya, jangan lupa subscribe. Oke, supaya Anda tidak ketinggalan dengan video-video saya yang terbaru. Tapi ingat, kalaupun Anda subscribe, Anda lupa untuk menekan bell icon-nya, Anda juga mungkin akan miss my new videos. Okay? My new video released. Jadi kalau Anda tidak mau ketinggalan dengan pelajaran bahasa Inggris gratis, it's a free lesson. All you need to do, subscribe and then hit the icon button, so the bell icon. Okay? So without further ado, tanpa basa-basi, let's the lesson started. Okay. So as you see from the thumbnail, we are going to talk about bored and boring for tonight. So before I talk a lot about these two words, I would like to tell you first the meaning of that word or those words. Look, so bored is regular verb. Jadi dia itu kata kerja yang apa? Kata kerja yang beraturan. Jadi bored, bored, bored. Okay, once again, bored, bored, bored. So don't forget to pronounce artinya if you like American. And also the verb T, verb 3-nya itu sama dengan verb 2-nya. What does that word means? There are 3 meanings of the word bored. Yang paling terkenal sekali tentu artinya adalah apa? Membuat seseorang bosan. Okay? Let me give an example yang artinya membuat seseorang bosan. Okay? I don't mean to bore you. Or you are boring me. Okay? And then the second meaning is membore, like a drilling. Okay, so if you are say that you are drilling a hole, it means you are boring a hole. Okay, that's the second meaning. And the last meaning is menatap dengan sinis. Why are you boring me that way? I don't want you to bore me like that. Okay? Alright. So, those 3 meanings of bored in bahasa Indonesia. Membuat bosan, membor nomor 2, dan arti yang nomor 3 adalah apa? Betul. Okay? Menatap dengan sinis. Alright. Now, let's talk more about bored and boring now. So, bored and boring are adjectives. Dia itu kata sifat. Okay? So, It's nothing to do more with the verb. It's now has, or this word have become an adjective. So let's have a look at here. Boat in bahasa Indonesia we say, okay, the meaning of boat it means bosan, while boring it means membosankan. So once again, boring means membosankan, and boat means what? Boat means bosan and boring means membosankan. So if you see this, okay, past participle, this is we call past participle of verb 3. Verb 3. Jadi verb 3 itu, this one is, okay, present, past tense, and past participle. So in bahasa Indonesia, okay, the word ends with ed. Jadi dengan ed, open, opened, work, worked, okay, boat, boat, okay, close, closed, itu artinya ter atau di. Sekali lagi, past participle atau verb 3, kata yang beraturan dan berakhiran ed itu artinya ter atau di. Okay? Tertangkap, ditangkap, tertutup, ditutup, terbuka, dibuka. Oke. Okay? Lalu kata yang berakhiran dengan ing, oke, okay, have a look at here. I just write here. Jadi kata yang berakhiran dengan ing, for example, open, lalu tambahkan ing menjadi opening. Oke, okay? Jadi this is we call present participle. Oke, okay? What? Present participle. Oke. Okay? So present, past tense, past participle, and this one is present participle atau verb 1 plus ing. Verb 1 plus ing dalam bahasa Indonesia we call it me atau mem. Oke, okay? Me atau mem. Have a look at this. This one, actually, both ini artinya sebetulnya dibosankan atau terbosankan. Okay, let me repeat. Both with ed artinya sebetulnya dibosankan atau terbosankan. While boring, as you can see here, Anda lihat sini, me atau mem berarti membosankan. Okay, understand? Okay, get it? Good. Let me give you another example or another word. Let me give you other words. Okay, interested, interesting. Okay, interested, interesting. Confused, confusing. Annoyed, annoying. So the word interested, tertarik. Or you can say dibuat tertarik. Remember, ed mean ter atau di. While interesting it mean menarik. Okay, don't forget. Confused mean dibuat pusing atau terpusingi. Bahasa apa itu ya? Okay, tapi ngerti kan maksudnya ya? Lalu confusing, memusingkan atau membuat pusing. Okay, and the last word here or the last example, annoyed, dijengkelkan, dibuat jengkel, or terjengkelkan. Ya mudah-mudahan bahasanya benar lah bahasa Indonesianya ya. Dan yang temannya annoying, okay, as I told you earlier, Anda sudah tahu bahwa ing itu artinya me atau mem, berarti menjengkelkan. Okay, so don't forget. Alright, I hope from my explanations about bored, boat, and boring, you get 3 contoh ini: interested, interesting, okay, lalu confused, confusing, and then annoyed, annoying. You have known, okay, bahwa adjective itu Bisa dari id, bisa juga ing. Bedanya kalau id artinya ter atau di, sedangkan yang ing artinya me atau mem. Bosan, membosankan. Tertarik, okay, menarik. Annoyed, okay, jengkel, menjengkelkan. Now, let me give you more example. Have a look at this. Okay, the movie is boring. Okay, I go to 21 studio and then I watch movie, but the movie is boring, so I am bored. Okay, I am sleepy because the movie is boring. And then John is confused. John pusing. John bingung. Why? Because the question is confusing. Pertanyaannya membingungkan. Alright? And then the last example, that boy was annoying. That boy was annoying. Anak laki-laki itu menjengkelkan. He made everyone annoyed. He made everyone annoyed. Dia buat setiap orang annoyed. What is annoyed? Betul, jengkel atau terjengkelkan atau dibuat jengkel. Okay? So I hope you understand and I hope you have understood, okay, with my explanations, with the difference between bored and boring. Also, okay, additional words like interested, interesting, confused, confusing, and also annoyed and annoying. Okay, I hope you will not make any mistakes again in making the sentence. Okay, so please don't say I am boring. No, you've got to say I am bored. You can say I am boring, artinya kamu membosankan, orang-orang pada bosan. But if you want to say saya bosan di rumah, I am bored at home. Why? Because the situations or the atmosphere is boring. You don't have something to do at home, so you are bored. You are not boring, but you are bored. All right, so don't forget, okay, if you don't like something, you've got to say I am bored. But something is, the situation is not good, so you say the situation is boring. Okay, I guess that's all for today or tonight. I think my explanation is quite long. Sorry if it's too long. I hope it's not. At least you have understood. Oh, if you still have questions, don't forget, just write it down. Okay, you can ask me more about this, or you can ask me anything, okay, related or to English, anything. Okay, so if I see your questions, I will answer it, and if I don't know, I will answer someone who knows more than me. Alright, I guess that's all for tonight. I hope it useful as always. So don't forget, if you're just new to my channel, consider subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace.